Got something for you. It's a dog bed. Can you lay on it? Hey, come here. You can lay on that.
Yes. Come on. Not what we wanted, baby. Get on the bed.
You gotta warm up to it.
It's like Nathan, you lay down on it so she'll come in.
I'm not laying down.
Like lay your head down on it.
Good.
Go. Go.
It's very soft.
On the bed.
Yes. Come here. Dallas. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. Come all the way. Come on. No, come on. You're almost there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Here you go. Here you go.
She didn't know how to get on it. She just fell.
That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl.
She just.
Good girl. There you go.
She's gonna roll over it.
Roll over.
Dallas, you're crazy. Yeah.
Find your pictures.
Just gonna